And they said it was like the process of being done. Oh, maybe not. What the fuck? Alright, I'm coming here. Come here, we'll do these two. I'm gonna start with these two. Or, you just scouting the whole thing? There are people that way? Green is on. Oh, yeah, we got a red over here. Come, 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 come. It's a blood moon. Oh, there's a couple of them. Oh, oh, fuck, oh, fuck. There's like 3 of them. They're Gucci, too. One Hand Nature, Blood Moon, Fish of Abba, Tier 9. They're stuck in the wrong hill? Oh, they have. Yeah, they got the One Hand Nature. They don't want to fight us? They're probably waiting for a buddy. Or I'll stop attacking them. Let's mount up in 3, 2, 1, mount up. Oh, they dismounted ahead. I don't see a 4th yet. It's just 3. Ah, but they got a purge, though. The Fish of Abba is a purge. Which is going to take out your E. You want to fight them? It's going to be tough. Dude, they got a Guardian helmet, too. Double Helium. Let's go away for a second. Let's go away for a second. Pretend like we're not interested. Maybe they could start to. It'd be nice to catch them like doing the boss or something. What are you thinking? Yeah, we'll just hang out here for a second and thing. I'm supposed to be doing the thinking, huh? Yeah, I'm just trying to think about it. Like, just I'm thinking out loud here. So it's almost a mirror matchup just between the Blood Moon and One Hand Nature, right? And they're the same tiers. That's I'm pretty sure I saw. But then they got the Fish of Alba, which the part that concerns me with that is he has a purge on his E, right? So when they hit the clap or whatever, and you're gonna E, you're gonna purge it, and that's gonna take out your E and negate it. They don't have clap though. I would say save your W and E for after the Ava Fish E in the fight, and we'll be okay there. If I can try to kill the Ava Fish first. I like the 2-on-2 matchup with the Blood Moon Nature because I have Stalker Hood and he did not. Right there. Yeah, they're in there. Okay, they're doing that a little bit. I'm gonna wrap around. And stay away from the edge. I want to come in from like the south side. Could do where mobs on the north, right? But I want to show them that we're coming this way. Yeah, they're in here, yeah. Alright, yep, let's do it. Alright, I'm gonna go for the other fish first. Okay. Do their usage. Okay. You're saving the purge. There it is. Oh no, you didn't use it. Yeah, that E cooldown is so short. I can't get anybody down a second time in time before it's up again. Plus the guardian helmet. Oh, the clay. Oh, getting pressure. Okay, you just purged. So you're safe to use it. I have a fish is running? Is that what I'm seeing? What a little bitch. You'd never be on my team again. Nice. Okay.
Keep chasing, keep chasing.
Yep. You can't run. You can't outrun me. I have a fish is kind of the one I really wanted though, but let's go 3v2. Small. Are you guessing that, or could you see already? Oh, they're the group, you know. Fire staff, carving, tier 7, carving, KM land.
Morgenstern?
Okay, I'm in. I don't think they want to fight. Oh, no, they do want to fight. You want to fight? Let's see. Trident, white. Come this way, come this way. Fire staff. KM land. I kind of want to take this. Keep
Let's
coming, keep
take.
coming. It's up to you, though. Yeah, damn. We're ready to go seed bucket. See if I can get that fire staff. Yeah, they decline. Okay, they already tried clapping once.
Oops, they have port.
I read you. Which is. Okay, we almost got a couple of them dead here. Yep. Damn, I'm trying to get that camera. They got a lot of CC. Very nice, very nice. Almost got one. Oh, no, that firewall. They're running. Okay, coming back this way. Ooh, missed that fire mage. Ah, I'm having a hard time actually killing somebody here. How you doing?
Yes, this one.
Okay, I think I'm gonna get one here. Never mind. Turning back, yeah, because the healer's deep. There we go. I finally got one freaking loot. If you get a second.
No, I don't have.
Yep, no worries, no
Keep,
worries.
keep
Free deal.
fast. Jesus, I had a lot.
Oh my god, that guy got so much fucking shit. I don't even have space to loot. Fuck. That guy had so much stuff. He had an energy shaper in him. Okay, we're gonna get another one. Fire mage. Okay, they're gonna shut it on.
Try to get one. Get what I'm loaded. Maybe.
Five seconds on my boots yet. We'll get one of these guys at least. Maybe not.
Return from whence thou came.
10 seconds on my boots. Nine Tails, you're hot micing like crazy, bro. I don't think we're getting any of them. I just can't catch anybody like this when they start to run. Especially not when they got a fucking camera. Bro.
I see
Yeah.
break, I see break, I see break. Okay, that.
Oh,
Kite
yeah.
back, leash and mount up.
Yep. Oh my god. Oh my fuck. Everything broke too. I got a really bad break. I noticed that. I didn't even know. What did you think about my new outfit?
White on me. Of course.
Wait, oh yeah, there's a couple coming from the west. Fish survivor. Miss Piercer. They want to fight? Yep, they want.
Let's pick it up.
Yeah, we're fighting this. Come to me.
Nice.
Yeah, Miss Piercer is about to die. Ooh, how you doing? Okay, got me species, thank God. And the
Take a
blight.
healer. Yes. Keep
Okay,
fighting. They have no healer.
you loot. You loot. Yeah. Okay, yeah, careful for the. You got something for that? Yeah, there you go. There we go.
Chase him. Chase him.
Yeah, I'm gonna chase the curse. I don't know if I'm gonna get him though.
No! This guy looted everything. Come back, get this guy.
Once, once. Alright, I got a curse.
Did he hit or something? Or he keep looting? No, he gonna just die. Party.
Yep,
Let's
dismount,
fight.
dismount. Yeah, glad you're thinking so too. You got a heavy mace, so be careful. Okay. Let me stick collab. I'm gonna kill that freaking heavy mace. Get him out of here. Maybe not. Got him.
Good fighting.
They have no parry now. Ooh, okay. Uh-oh. I got healing. Okay. Okay. We gotta keep kiting though. Watch out. You have to come for you hard. Okay, you got another one. Alright, got another one. Alright, I want that other tech next. No, come here, buddy. Come here. I just want this guy. Are the rest of them chasing yet? Or are they lose? Okay, I got 5 seconds of boost. But you got these boots too. Yes! Which way do we gonna get away? Okay, loot that up. I'm gonna go back to the corpses. Did you already loot those?
No, a big chance.
Okay, no wins.
Large.
Ooh,
But someone just left here. Bloodmoon. Bloodmoon with blight. Really.
yeah. Come back. We're gonna keep in there. Keep coming. How you doing back there? Okay, turn back.
Get bloodmoon. Get bloodmoon. Good chasing.
Come here, come here, come here, come here. I need dash, I need dash, I need dash. Thank God for the slow on that. 5 seconds on my boots. Hey, he's just gonna fight it out. Oh man. Let's go. 114.
Behind.
Yep. Okay, we're fighting him. Ooh, it was a redemption. Okay. Just eat, so this is my window. Hit him. Careful, they're bursting. Nice. Nice. Oh, he left that bear paws to die. I fucked it though. Coming up. He left. Don't pony mobs yet.
I'm sorry. I'm trying to.
Yeah, they're gonna start running. Oh no, the healer's lagging. Got him. Loot. Ah, I can't loot anything. I'm full. The healer's gonna run. Yeah, I'm getting the deck. I'm going for the healer. The deck givers will get away. Plus, I know he looted. Plus, I want to make him pay for like leaving that bear paw to die like that. Twice he left him for dead. Careful mobs, obviously, but you're trying some funny shit here. You're dead. We won't even make it out of the zone before our OC breaks. Oh yeah, we'll call it.
Oh,
We gotta move. Well, we either gotta move or get the fight quick so we can double OC. Yeah, they're dismounted ahead. It's a perma. Come. I'm gonna dismount. So you can't mount back it.
dismount him. Go. Oh, it's just double.
Gonna get him. 2 hammers dismounted. Okay, yep. He's gonna start with us. Perma's gonna hit. Okay, now I'm gonna go for the perma. There's the rest of them. Oh, they got all brimstone too. Okay, no healer though. Okay, be careful. One more engage is what they got. Keep coming this way, yeah. We want these guys. Oh, that guy just took a bleed. Aha, and he got knocked. You can kill him. I'm gonna keep chasing. Oh, the other guy got knocked too. They both got knocked. You want this one too?
Yes.
Oh my god. Nice. And the other 2 left. That's funny. I'm cleared. No. Dismount. They're in the middle of a bus. Are you kidding me? Nice.
Еду на рам.
Let's go. Okay, just leave them. I'll loot these. Oh, careful, we got team behind us just showed up.
I don't.
Oh shit. Yeah, we're just gonna fight them, we'll loot later. That guy's still got a lot on him yet. Okay, they're fighting. Remember that. We gotta go back to that chest. For the loot. Get that longbow if I can. Oh no. I got no sustain though. I guess I'll take the realm. Oh, buddy just showed up maybe. Yeah, the realm's got stalkers. It's gonna be easy to. Oh, the bow's coming back, huh? Oh, okay. There's the there. Oh, and a fire staff. Okay. I think we got a fight here. Oh, that's really annoying. Nice. Keep chaining them. Ah, not the fire staff. I don't have my gigas. Maybe we can get the golem at least. Or the healer. The healer's not stalking. I don't know what way you want to go. We'll go this way. They're sweating. We're just gonna get one. We'll just get the realm.